This is Anishwit here with another tutorial, and this is on cloth dynamics and how to use it to fix some parts like for the animations so that it looks more realistic. So I had a problem with this rig. I realized the legs go through the robe and that's not good, so I added some cloth dynamics. So what it does is acts accordingly, deforms the mesh, and yeah, frames per second is really low because I'm recording, of course, and you can always bake the dynamics so that there's no lag when you're recording, when you're doing your thing. So let me show you the C motion walk. This is a character I made. I also used Baldemod's thing to make characters like Switch. Pretty cool idea. Put his video and link in the description for that. Put his channel link. So he walks with no glitches on the cloth. That's why you see in the Egg Adventures with Steve or whatever, in Elemental Animation or whatever its name is, you see that the testificates, they don't show their legs because there are no cloth dynamics there. So if they walk, you see the legs going through the ropes, so that's not good. Okay, so let's get to the tutorial. I'll just delete this cloth over here. Delete that. Go to get. You can download this from Baldemods, this guy, and then I'll put the video link in the description also. And then just texture, get the robes out. So this is the robes without any cloth dynamics. And by the way, I did the IK and everything. So, and I also made the mouth and the eyebrows. I made it into user data and everything. So he has just a rig, kind of normal rig. Okay, so let's get these robes have. So look, when you move the legs, it goes through the robes. To fix it, cloth dynamics. Okay, so okay, now we need to select the area we need cloth onto. So we need it quite high in the robes because if the cloth is intersecting with the leg a little, then it just glitches out. So we need really high on the leg, on the robe. So kind of here maybe, and then we right click, split, and press the delete. So now we have two pieces just like this. This is what I love about Cinema 4D. They just make everything easy. And R14 is supposed to be having so many new features about camera tracking, sculpting, and sculpting is really amazing because you need a different program for that, and they're just making it into one program. So that's pretty cool. Split, delete. Oops, missed one. Split, delete, 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 delete. Okay, so now we should have two like this. Right click, simulations, cloth, right click, simulations, cloth. Select both the cloths and then iterations at 6. Off this if you want to reduce lag. It's not really necessary for this type of cloth. And then we need to add the belt now. Cloth belt. The belt holds it in place. If you hit play right now, it'll just fall, and the belt will hold it and attach it to whatever you want, like a robe. It doesn't attach to bones, so we're going to attach it to this over here. So go to edge select. We can actually optimize it right now so that we don't have any. Actually, no, it's okay. Never mind. So now select the robes. No, select one robe, and we need to pick the points we need it to attach to. So let's go UL to get loop selection, and then UL again, UL, and then stop boundary edges, hold control, and then off that. Then go to the belt which has the robe. We selected this robe, so this belt. Grab this one, just grab it into the robe, into the thing, and then press set and off draw. And now we should have it attached to the robe. And when we move the robe, it should move correctly, like this. So it should move with the robe. And why is that? Oh, because I have a cloth collider there. Okay, so let's attach the other one also. Actually, I'm just gonna work with one for now, so let's just delete it. You can do the same for the other one. Okay, now we need to add the collider. So let me just delete the collider I had on this leg right now. It's actually a separate object because the leg, I'll explain it later. So right now when I move the leg and I hit play and I move the leg, nothing happens because there's no collider. To add the collider, we need to make a separate object. So make a plane, 25, 75, that's the size of the leg, 0, 0, and minus Z. Do you see? Okay, the problem we have is when you rotate it and the Z-axis, we need it facing the collision. Like, say the Z-axis is going this direction, that means that the cloth is going to collide with this face and not with this face. So if you put it this direction, the cloth will just go straight through it, and if you put it this direction, it'll just this is the face which will collide with it. I don't know why it's like that, but that's the way it is. So the Z-axis must be at the back. Now move it into position. Hold Shift, actually press E, snap settings on 6.25, type in 6.25, and then just move it into position like this. And now we want to subdivide it the same amount of times as this leg, so that it moves the correct, like, same as the leg. So subdivide 3, that's the same as my leg. Whoa. Oh, I'm selecting the wrong item. Commands, where's my plane? Oh, I have to make it editable. Press C, mesh, commands, subdivide 3. Okay, so now we have that done. Copy and paste, rotate it this direction. It's important you rotate it the correct direction and the Z-axis is in the correct way. Copy, paste, rotate it this way, make sure the Z-axis correct place. Can't emphasize it enough. Copy, paste, rotate, move it here, and okay. Now select all 4, right click, connect plus delete, and then right click, simulation tags, collider, cloth collider, and then just bind it to the leg, joints. And then you have a cloth collider. It's just that simple. Okay, so this concludes this tutorial. That was weird. Thanks for watching, and bye.